All right, so look, everything in this box, I at some point got for free. All right, so we got a random assortment of stuff in here. I mean, we got stuff like booster cables. We got a bunch of these dog vests. We got a tripod or a stand. We got even random stuff like acid serum. We even got stuff like this Pokemon Squishmallow, which at the time that we got it, they sold out quick. It's been some time now, so these should have a little value. So we got things random like candle holders, and we're gonna go through this whole pile of stuff. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna list all of this, and we're gonna sell this stuff, whether it's Facebook Marketplace, whether it's eBay. My goal is to get all of this stuff gone. So check it out. We got stuff like these blue shoes right here. With this, I believe is worth $100. This is like a exercise ball. This is a bookshelf. This is a phone case and wallet. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through these products one by one and kind of figure out what they're gonna be worth, what I'm gonna charge for them. So on the eBay app, if you go on the eBay app, let me show y'all something. On the eBay app, if you go on the eBay app, you can hit like the camera, you can look at a barcode. But it told me this type of barcode isn't supported. Then what I did is I went to my Safari and then boom, typed in what I see here. And then boom, I'm seeing these are going from anywhere from 32 on Amazon to 19. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do 15 bucks each for these, right? And I'm simply gonna just take a photo of me holding it as my product picture. And I'm gonna do that for the rest of these. And so boom, on the Amazon one, I was able to scan it and it found these candle holders. So these are going for 18. So I'll do maybe 10 on these as well. So this is pretty much the bot right here, right? So you got accounts. Now you put an Amazon account. Now it's better to have more than one account so that you can hit on more than one item. You know, you would add your proxies in. Right now, I'm not running any proxies. I'm running on my local host because I am on a server. It's as simple as waiting on a ping and sitting here and waiting on something to drop. Show y'all, this is the most important thing. Your discount amount. So what that means is hey, don't grab anything that's less than a 97% discount. Costs more than $1, right? Sometimes, bro, they're not gonna be free. When you stack the coupons, sometimes it might bring it down to 50 cents. The custom SKUs, let's say the PlayStations are coming out on Amazon and you want to grab one quick with this bot. You can use this to put that SKU in and then boom, it'll just like that. Blacklist keywords, right? People and companies who still sell outside of the FBA platform, just using Amazon as an intermediary. And so you want to limit those because it just makes it act up. All right, so I actually want to show y'all some of these just in case you could not see it on the small screen. I want to kind of show y'all my process and how I'm going to list these and how I'm going to even come up with my prices. All right, so like boom, we got the dog vest here. It's called Viva Glory, right? So I'm going to go to first Viva Glory dog life jacket. Boom, and we see it here and we see them on Amazon and they're going for around 20 bucks, right? So something like this, I would probably ask for 15, knowing that people locally are gonna try to undercut me or try to go lower on the price. And so this one is like a smaller one. However, I think that's an appropriate price. And so I'm gonna go to eBay as well to kind of check and see what the market is, like how often are these selling. So I'm gonna come down here and filter by sold, and we see these selling a lot, right? So I don't think that's a bad idea, and I actually think I'm gonna auction this stuff off. Like I think that's what I'm gonna do. And so you see here that I have it posted up for 15 bucks, and so I'm gonna pretty much do it for all this stuff. I mean, this is a bookshelf that's worth about 50 bucks. I can get about 5 to 10 bucks from this, and if I was doing a garage sale, it would really be nice. But all this kind of stuff, this is an exercise ball. This is for the side of an RV. These are like $100. These women's shoes right here, which I've already kind of got people interested in this shoe. We already got people interested in these items. So I don't think selling them in this challenge is gonna be hard at all. Now, I'm actually gonna go on eBay right now and I'm gonna make an auction listing. All right, so now I'm gonna upload photos. All right, and I set this auction for 3 days. So let's go ahead and run it. Boom. And that listing is now live. So I'm actually about to do that for the rest of them. So as you see, all these different kinds of items are what this bot is capable of getting us, and all this stuff is gonna get auctioned online. So we're starting a challenge. Y'all let me know in the comments what number we should be at as far as where this challenge will go, and we will continue. Also, come back to find out what sold on the auctions and what didn't. Rico gang, I love y'all. Let's get it.